Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's exactly what Charles Osborne did, starting in 1922. Picture this. A man hiccuping through decades of life, from the roaring 20s to the grunge-filled 90s. He even hiccuped while trying to sell a pig. His hiccups became a part of his daily routine, turning mundane moments into hilarious adventures. Can you imagine trying to enjoy a quiet dinner or a movie with that kind of soundtrack? Charles turned his hiccup spree into a quirky legacy, reminding us all to find humor in the unexpected. So, next time you get a case of the hiccups, think of Charles and embrace the laughter.